Exploring the difference between solving and teaching in sensorimotor tasks by Manuel Bied and Mohamed Chetouani. Learning from demonstration, LFD, is a popular approach for robot learning. LFD usually assumes an expert or novice teacher. This is not the only possibility. We could also imagine a pedagogical teacher. In this work, we explore the idea of a pedagogical teacher in LFD. We had two hypotheses. First, humans modify their behavior when teaching how to solve the sensorimotor task in comparison to solving it. Second, humans perceive the use of negative demonstrations as informative. The study consisted of two experiments. First, we asked participants to solve a sensorimotor task and afterwards to teach how to solve it to a robot. The task consists of going from a start to a goal. There is an unsafe zone. For solving, participants could only give positive demonstrations that did not pass the unsafe zone. For teaching, they could give negative demonstrations that passed the unsafe zone. Second, we asked new participants to rate the demonstrations from the first experiment on a Likert scale. The results were clustered into non-informative, informative, and not clear. The absolute values that were used in the significance tests are reported in the paper. If we have a look onto the around 35% of informative demonstrations in the teaching condition, we realize that this value is significantly higher than the around 7% informative demonstrations in the solving condition. Similar, if we only consider the teaching condition, we realize that the proportion of informative demonstrations is with around 58% for the negative demonstrations, significantly higher than the around 17% for positive demonstrations. We verified our hypothesis by showing, first, there is a difference between people solving and teaching a sensorimotor task, and second, people perceive a significant higher portion of negative than positive demonstrations as informative.